Hi, I'm Dr. Janell Carroll, and I'm so excited that you're taking the psychology of gender this summer. I wanted to give you a brief introduction, tell you a little bit about me, tell you a little bit about the course. This course is an asynchronous online course, so we will not be meeting in person, and you will be able to do the work at your leisure during the week. But I will warn you, there is a lot of work crammed into this 7 week course because it is the same course that I teach during a 14 week semester. So I just want you to be ready to hit the ground running because there's going to be a lot of assignments, all fun, of course, because this is the psychology of gender. But I guess I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I've been at the university for about 25 years, teaching in a variety of different capacities. I've taught the psychology of gender class for many, many years, and I'm always looking for ways to kind of look for new pedagogies, new ways to teach, new ways to reach learners. And this summer session is giving me a great opportunity to do that because I'm going to be incorporating some brand new technologies and activities that I've never used before. So we'll kind of see how that goes. Let me tell you a little bit about the course. So again, it is 7 weeks, which means it's going to be very fast paced. A couple of things that you need to do by tomorrow night, which will be Monday night, I need you to record a video like this, just telling me who you are, what class year, what you're studying, why you decided to take this course. That is in the first day lecture, all that information that you'll need to put in your intro video. But I want you to also send me an email with your cell phone, with your number, just in case I need to get in touch with you outside of class. I think that the video introductions are, since we're going to be asynchronous, I think it's really hard to get to know each other. And so the video intro is for all of us to kind of get to know each other. So share what you're comfortable sharing. But like I said, mostly what I'd like is your name, a nickname, what class year you are, what your major is, and why you're taking the course. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the course, at least how I'm planning it at this moment. And I will have the syllabus ready for you tomorrow, probably early afternoon. The video intro that you're going to record, and I'm guessing that you can do this just by doing it on your phone, putting it on YouTube, and then putting the link on the discussion board section of the Blackboard. You'll see where that is. That is worth 5 points. So in total, you can earn 505 points in this class. So that's an easy 5 points. The other big part of this is doing discussion boards. And I know several of you have probably done discussion boards before. I have never done them. And so this is going to be new for me. But what I've done is I've drafted questions for every chapter in the book. And I want you to use that question kind of as a jumping off point to explore kind of what you're thinking about, what you think about the question, to look at the research, to critically analyze the research. I will tell you more about this, but you will do 10 discussion boards. There will be more options. There'll be 13 options. You only have to do 10 of those. So you can kind of pick and choose which chapters you want to answer them for. The second thing we'll do that's really exciting and very new to me and new to the university is something called AI role play. I'm going to introduce you to 4 gender experts, and they have a pretty big presence online. And because of that, we can use an AI role-playing generator that will allow you to interview them through texting. And so we're going to kind of see how this goes. Like I said, it's new technology. The University of Hartford only has had it for about 6 months. So it'll be fun to do that. You'll do 4 AI interviews. You will interview these people, ask them 5, 6, 7 questions, and then you'll write a reflection paper about what you learned, what surprised you, what you thought about the conversation, what challenged your understanding of the content, anything like that. And then the last thing is a paper. You're going to do a final paper in this class. It's about 5 to 7 pages. It's a reflection paper. And basically what I want you to do is kind of explore how your understanding of gender has changed from the first day, from Monday, the 19th of May, until the last day of class. Like what has changed for you? What have you been thinking about? What kind of do you think about differently? And you do all those things, easy A. I think this summer course is fairly easy to get all the points. The issue is going to be, it's very time consuming. So I hope you're committed to putting in the time. to being really involved in the discussion boards and getting to know everybody, because you're going to be responding to other people's discussion boards as well. Know that I am available. You can email me, you can call me on my office phone number, although I won't be on campus much at all. So probably email. We can jump on a Zoom, we can meet, we can talk. I don't want you to feel like you're in this alone, because this is going to be fun and it's going to be a learning experience, maybe for some of you, but also for me. But I'm really excited about the teaching strategies and trying something new. I hope you're game. I hope you're excited. And again, I will be posting the syllabus and all the whole links to Blackboard tomorrow afternoon. So welcome to the course. I'm glad you're here, and I hope you enjoy the class.